Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Nest Protect app for smoke and CO alerts. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone or tablet. Locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an Apple device, open the App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Google Nest. Press the search icon to find the app. Look for the app titled Google Nest. Confirm that it's the official app provided by Google LLC. Once you find the app, tap on it to view the details. Now, check if your device meets the app's requirements. If everything looks good, proceed to the download button. For Apple devices, tap the Get button. For Android devices, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, find the Google Nest app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app to open it for the first time. You may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have a Google account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, grant the app the necessary permissions. This may include access to your location and notifications. Once permissions are granted, you can start setting up Nest Protect. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Nest Protect device. Ensure your Nest Protect is powered on and within range of your device. Complete the setup process to start receiving smoke and carbon monoxide alerts. Now you are ready to monitor your home for safety through the Google Nest app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.